The 5 ranked product is Nesco NPC9 Smart Electric Pressure Cooker and Canner. 9.5 quart. Stainless steel. Review score 4.7. Review count 2,586 ratings. Price 115.63. Customers like the ease of use, size, and pressure capability of the product. They mention it's simple to use, works well, and takes up less space than traditional canners. Some appreciate the value for money. Customers dislike. No info. The 4 ranked product is Kasori Electric Pressure Cooker 6 quarts. 9-in-1 instant multi-cooker with safer venting design. Rice cooker, slow cooker, sous vide, sauté pot, 1100W. Stainless steel. Review score 4.7. Review count 2,829 ratings. Price 76.47. Customers like the cooking capacity, ease of use, and build quality of the pressure cooker. They mention it works amazingly well, is wonderful for many cooking operations, and the digital controls are intuitive and simple to navigate. Some appreciate the cook time and say it's easy to clean. Customers also say it offers good value for money and has flavor. Customers dislike. No info. The 3 ranked product is Ninja Foodi Air Fryer Pressure Cooker Combo 11-in-1 Pro 6.5 quarts. Pressure cooker and air fryer that steams, slow cooks and more with 4.6 quarts crisper plate, broil rack and recipe book. FD 302. Silver, black. Review score 4.7. Review count 3,848 ratings. Price 149.99. Customers like the functionality, ease of use, and flavor of the pressure cooker. They mention it's very useful for quick frozen meals, saves time cooking faster, and makes cooking so much more fun. Some appreciate the cook time. Customers dislike. However, some customers have mixed opinions on the size, durability, and pressure capacity. The 2 ranked product is Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, Slow Cooker, Rice Cooker, Steamer, Sauté, Yogurt Maker, Warmer and Sterilizer. Includes app with over 800 recipes. Stainless steel. 6 quart. Review score 4.7. Review count 41,263 ratings. Price 129.95. Customers like the cooking speed, functionality, and ease of use of the pressure cooker. They mention it consistently delivers delicious results, is easy to figure out, and comes with explicit instructions. Some appreciate the ease of cleaning and versatility of the product. Customers dislike. No info. The 1 ranked product is Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, Slow Cooker, Rice Cooker, Steamer, Sauté, Yogurt Maker, Warmer and Sterilizer. Includes app with over 800 recipes. Stainless steel. 6 quart. Review score 4.7. Review count 100,881 ratings. Price 99.95. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info.